Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise 2.2 of chapter 2, whole numbers. So student, first question I am going to write on the board. So question number first is saying to you, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. First part, 837 plus 208 plus 363, and B part of this question is 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 64. 647 student. 647. Sorry. So student, this is the question. Question is saying find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Student, you have already studied about the property of the whole numbers. whole number की प्रॉपर्टी मैं आपको बताया हूं, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, etc. You have already studied in introduction video. So, student, you can get your answer by adding the 837, 208 and 363 respectively. आप इनको क्रम से ऐड करके भी नंबर को, आंसर को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. बट क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग बाय सुटेबल रीअरेंजमेंट. आपको अरेंजमेंट करके, रीअरेंजमेंट करके आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो स्टूडेंट, हाउ कैन वी रीअरेंज ऑफ द नंबर्स? स्टूडेंट, वी rearrange such that number together which gives the zero in your result. मैं उन नंबरों को एक साथ रीअरेंज करता हूं, लेता हूं जो अपने रिजल्ट में जीरो दे, मैक्सिमम गिव्स जीरो. एंड स्टूडेंट, वी वांट टू क्लियर योर कॉन्सेप्ट on a property that is associative property. Associative property. You have already studied in my introduction video. If three whole numbers A, B and C, suppose that there are three whole numbers A, B and C, and you need to add these numbers together, then how can you rearrange these numbers? So student, associative property says that we can make the group of two or more than two numbers, and remaining numbers we can take to the outside. And in this condition, if we add the sums, we get always equal sum. हमेशा आपको equal sum मिलेगा. You can add A plus B together and you can take to the outside C, or is equal to, sum will be equal in both conditions. You can add B plus C and you can take A outside and add the last. In this condition, sums will be same. आपका सम जो होगा वो क्या होगा? सेम होगा. सो स्टूडेंट, वी कैन मेक द ग्रुप ऑफ द होल नंबर्स ऑफ एनी होल नंबर्स एंड वी कैन टेक टू द आउटसाइड ऑफ एनी होल नंबर. किसी को भी हम बाहर ले सकते हैं और किसी को भी अंदर लेकर के हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. बट by which number we make the grouping, we make the group of such that number which gives the maximum zero in the last of your result. जो अपने रिजल्ट के लास्ट में ज्यादा से ज्यादा जीरो दे सके, 1 2 3 4 जितने भी ज्यादा हो सके. सो स्टूडेंट थिंक दैट which number we can take together in these three numbers, 837, 208 and 363. So student, if we talk about the solution of this question, so you can say that we can add firstly 837 and 363. So in its sums we can find the zero. So 837 plus 363, we can make the group of these two numbers and we can take to the outside 208. In your question, first number is 837, second is 208, third is 363. But here we are taking first number 837 as same, but second number I am taking the 363. I have changed the order here. There is no meaning of changing the order. Your sums will be same. So student, we get 7306391 10 83 11 11 and 1 12 1200. Student, you are seeing in this sum that this sums gives the zero. So in this sum we will add 208 and that such that number which gives the zero in your result we can add easily. For this student, we make the group and we apply the associative property. So 12 to 14, 1408, it's my answer, 1408. But if you add firstly 837 and 208 and last 363, also you will find the 1408. But you have not applied the associative property. आपने associative property apply नहीं किया है. You have not rearranged the numbers. नंबरों को आपने rearrange नहीं किया है. So student, as same student, part B, you will make the group of two number which gives the zero in your result, in its result. So we will take student 1962 plus 1538. We make a group and remaining two numbers we make the other group 453 plus 647. Like this. It's depend on your common sense. ये आपके कॉमन सेंस की बात है. आप देख करके और थिंक करके इसको ग्रुप बना सकते हैं नंबरों का. सो स्टूडेंट, 8 to 10, 6 3 9 1 10 9 5 14 1 15 1 1 2 and 3 plus 7 3 10 5 4 9 1 10 1 is carry and 6 4 10 10 and 1 11. You can add easily student. 0 0 5 1 6 3 1 4. This is my answer. So it's depend on your common sense which number we are going to make the group which can give the zero in its result. ये आपके कॉमन सेंस पर डिपेंड करता है कि हम किस नंबर को, किस होल नंबर को ग्रुप बनाने जा रहे हैं जो अपने रिजल्ट में जीरो देगा. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी वेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज आल्सो वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट. If you have book, then you can see the question and try to understand the meaning of the question, student. Find the product. Question is saying find the product by suitable rearrangement. Suitable rearrangement. I am taking only, there are many parts students are given in this question. I am taking only 2 parts of this question or 3 parts, and remaining part you will do yourself. That is your homework, student. So first part is 2 into 1768 into 50, and B part is 4 into 166 into 25, and C part is 8 into 291 into 125, and remaining 3 parts is your homework, student. Student, in this question also we need to rearrange of the numbers and find the product. So which numbers we can make the group? I have told you, if you need to add or you need to multiply, we make such that numbers group which gives the maximum 0 in its result. मैंने आपको बताया, हमें ऐड करना हो नंबरों को या फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, या फिर सॉरी स्टूडेंट, सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं, ऐड करना हो या फिर मल्टीप्लाई करना हो, तो हम उस होल नंबर का उन होल नंबरों का ग्रुप बनाएंगे जो अपने रिजल्ट में क्या दें, 0 दें. सो स्टूडेंट, if we talk about the solution of this question, so your question is 2 into 1768 into 50. Which 2 numbers you will make the group? You can say easily 2 and 50, because 52 is 100. We get the 20 in result. So 2 into 50, and we take the 1768 to the outside, and 52 is 100 into 1762, and we get the answer 1768, and 20 you will increase in your result. This is my answer. Very easy, student. In this way you can make easy your calculation. If you are making the group of such that 2 numbers, 3 numbers, which gives the 0 in your result. So student, B part 4 into 166 into 25. Which 2 whole numbers you will make the group? 25 and 4, because in its result we get the 0, and 0 makes my calculation easy. So 4 into 25 into 166, 25 4 is 100 into 166, write 166 and increase 20 in the last of 166. It is my answer. It is my answer. As same student, you will solve the question number C part. We have 8 into 291 into 125. Which 2 number you will make the group? 8 and 125, because in its result we can find the 0. So 8 into 125, we make a group and we take to the outside 291, and when we multiply these two number we get 8 5 ja 44 is carry, 8 2 ja 16 and 4 22 is carry, 8 1 ja 8 2 10 1000 into 291 and we are multiplying 10 type number, so we write the same number 291 and we increase 30 in the last of this number. It is my answer. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well and remaining 3 part you will do yourself. That is your homework student. So come to the, this is the second question, sorry, ये आपका second question था. Come to the next question number 3rd. Student, question number 3rd is different type question student. In that question, we not need to make the group. We use the separate method, means common method. In question number 3rd, we use the common method. By the common method, we find our solution student, our answer. So question is saying student, find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Four part is given student. I am taking part A and part B of this question. Part A 297 into 17 plus 297 plus A into 3. And D part of this question student, C and B and C is your homework. 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. So student, how can we solve it? Student, this is one term, this is one term, and these two term is separated by the by the plus sign. Means इस term को और इस term को हमें क्या करना है? We require to add. हमें add करना है. And this sign also is showing that we require to add this term and this term also. But student, in both term you are seeing the common. Any number is common. If we talk about the solution of this question, so student, we have 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Which numbers you are seeing in common in both term? ये दो term मेरे पास हैं and both term are showing with plus sign. इस टर्म को और इस टर्म को हमें क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. सो दोनों टर्म में हमें कुछ कॉमन दिख रहा है. समथिंग इज कॉमन. यस, यू कैन से 297. 297 is present in this term and 297 is also present in second term. So we can take outside 297 as common. So student, after taking the common, we make the bracket and what left in the first term? First term में क्या बचा है? 297 you have taken to the outside as common. So 17 left in this term. इसको तो आपने निकाल लिया. बचा क्या? 17 plus 297 you have taken as common. दोनों में से 297 आपने निकाला है. तो इसमें क्या बचा? 17 और इसमें क्या बचा? 13. Now student, 297 Student, there is no sign between 297 and bracket. If in two terms, in two things, there is no sign, we understand about the multiplication sign. So, multiply 17, 13, 7, 3, 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3, 30. Now multiply, student. Now multiply it. 3 7 ja 21, 2 is carry, 3 9 ja 27, 27 to 29, 2 is carry, 3 2 ja 6 or 2, 8, 1 0 you will increase. This is my answer. So student, if you will see this type question anywhere, so firstly you will take the common, which, and you will take such that number as common which present in all terms. We can take as common. But student, if we talk about the part B, so we have 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Student, which whole number is common in both terms? दोनों में कौन सा कॉमन है? कुछ दिख रहा है आपको? You will say, sir, nothing. कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं. No student. Something is common. कुछ ना कुछ तो कॉमन है जरूर. But I am not seeing. For seeing student, 3845 into 5 into 782. First term write as same plus 769 into 25. 25. We can write 25 in two terms, 5 into 5 into 218. And 769 and 5 we can take together and multiply, student. Then we get the common 3845 into 5 into 782, 769 into 5, 5 9 is 45, 5 9 is 45, 5 6 is 30, 34, 34, 3 is carry, 5 7 is 35 and 3 38. Now student, you are seeing the common. Left number is 5 into 218, right as same. Now you can say that 3845 is common in both term. दोनों में क्या है? Common है. So we can take as common, student. We can take outside 45 and in bracket. In bracket we write the left number. So 5 is left here and 782 left plus 3845 I have taken to the outside as common, 5 into 218. Now student, look here, 3845 into 5 to the 10, 5 8 is 40, 41, 40 and 1, 41, 4 is carry, 5 7 is 35, 5 7 is 35, 35 4, 39 plus 5 8 is 40, 5 1 is 5 4, 9, 5 2 is 10. Now add it in the student, 3845 into 0, 9 1, 10, 9 and 1, 10, 3 1 4 and 1 5. Now multiply it, student. 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 22, 22, 5 8 is 40 and 2, 42, 5 3 is 15, 15 4, 19 and 3 0 we increase in the last. This is my answer, student. This is my answer. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well, and I have told you question number first, second and third, and remaining part of this question, student, you will do yourself as same with I have solved on the board, student. So in my next video, student, I will start from the question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. I will take 4 questions in my next video, student, of this exercise. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.